This is one of those more overlooked skills when it comes to e-scouting. Most hunters wait until they're already in the mountains or in the woods or in the plains before they begin really hunting. They step out of their truck, they look around and hope that they're in the right place. And we've all been there questioning the plan or wondering if we even had a plan. This course is here to change that. You will know how to bend these platforms into a decision-making weapon for yourself. You will walk into a hunt area already understanding what the animals are doing, where they're likely going to be located, and why the best opportunities are going to exist where they do. Let's jump into the map here and we're going to talk about these different layers. We want to know what's public and private, so we would be turning this layer on. You actually can share this folder with your buddies. Buckle up, grab your notebook or your workbook. Let's log into your Onyx and your Go Hunt and get ready to build your real-world hunting plan one step at a time. Let's get after it. Welcome to this masterclass.